This collaboration dropped in March 2023, blending Nike's iconic Air Force One silhouette with Tiffany's signature flair. The shoe features a sleek black suede upper, highlighted by the unmistakable Tiffany Blue swoosh. Around the heel, there's a sterling silver piece engraved with Tiffany, adding a touch of luxury. Inside, you'll find premium leather lining, ensuring comfort with every step. When it first released, the retail price was set at $400. However, due to its popularity and limited availability, resale prices have soared, with pairs fetching over $1,000 on platforms like StockX. In terms of fit, I'd recommend going half a size down, similar to other classic Air Force One lows. The materials are top-notch, making these kicks both comfortable and versatile. Plus, their build makes them a solid choice for less than perfect weather. If you're looking to add these to your collection without breaking the bank, you can find them for $118 at kickwho.cc. And don't forget to use the discount code DECENT20 to snag $10 off. Hope this helps if you're considering picking up a pair.